in a few weeks I was planning on taking the Sportster to Canberra and leaving it there for a while. But there was a few things that had to be done before heading out there, and one of those things was dropping the bars or changing the bars out, changing the risers. At the moment, it's got me sitting a little bit too far back, so I just want to bring my body a bit closer forward. So I've got a nice set of Z bars. Here's some risers. Some nice risers and some Z bars that I was going to chuck on. So I think these are 6-inch. Risers are maybe 4-inch. So at the moment, I think these are off memory around the 20-inch sort of range. So with that new setup, it'll get me sitting a little bit closer to the front and change the look up a little bit. But things have changed. Belco Bowl Jam is on this weekend. I thought rather than ride the bike to Canberra, then worry about trying to get a lift back or bus or public transport or whatever, I might be able to just chuck the bike in the van and drop it off and then come back next week. So the issue with getting the bike in the van at the moment is it's too tall. So the bars are too tall. And I thought I might just jump on Facebook Marketplace, see if I can just get some shorter risers, which I was able to. So I just picked these up for 20 bucks, 2 Ks from my house. Missing a few bolts, but we got a stash somewhere. The reason I'm not going to do all the Z bars and everything now is because all these wires are internally ran, and also with that setup, it doesn't fit the Speedo. So there's a bunch of parts I'm going to have to get when I really sort of overhaul this sort of section. So for now, 20 bucks for some crusty risers, and that should get us out of trouble. So let's go. Now for the moment of truth, let's see if these bolts fit this. Oh. Boom! She's a bit gunked up, but that'll do. Well, that's a small win. He was a bit nervous, the guy that sold me him, saying, oh, they're a bit crusty, you might have to polish it. These are the old ones. I'm not sure if you can see on camera. They are flogged. These look fucking nearly brand new. Alrighty, let's chuck these on and see how they look. Before we chuck them on, I might chuck on the original bolts and just see if they'll fit as well. Boom, another win. Alright, let's put it all together. Actually, before we fit all that up, we might test run this Speedo as well. Oh, you fuck. I'm not sure if you can see, it's not going to line up. Oh, this is a big kick in the dick. We might be able to pack it out and rise it up. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so we didn't have packers that would have fit, so now I'm going to try a different top clamp and see if our combination of bits and pieces works out. So, am I confident? Sure. This is one of the cool things about these old bikes is you don't need to be a master mechanic or a wizard or have all the special tools. A lot of these are just sort of basic stuff from your toolbox or whatnot. So a lot of these things you can just attack yourself. I'm just going to put them in loosely now before I rip on them. There's a few things we have to check, and that is clearance when we turn the handlebars as well. So we've got to be mindful of that. You don't want to swing it around and smash the fucking tank. So let's see how the top plate will look. want to get them sort of in line. Okay. Generally when you rush shit, you don't expect everything to sort of come together, but I think it's working out. So I think all that's left now is align everything and tighten it up, and we'll see how it looks. There's one side done. All right, so that's just nipped up. Allen keys for the bars. We'll tighten them up a little bit. All right, that looks looking pretty good now. Got them in line with the forks. And now we got to test out to see if we get clearance, because the last thing you want to do is kind of whack your tank with the bars. So if we're free there, then we're good. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh. Okay, we're touching on one side, so we've got to wiggle it over a little bit. But all in all, we might be ripping on this in no time. Oh yeah, I can see they've moved over a touch. Okay. This side's good. That side bad. All right, let's have a look at everything. We might have a bit of movement in these big bolts underneath, so I might just loosen them a touch. All right, I'll bring you over here with me. We got good clearance there. Come back over to the other side. And she's just hitting. We got to play around a little bit more. All right, I've just had a bit of a play with all the bolts, so we've got good clearance here. And now we got some clearance here, which is more than enough. Let's rip on these bolts and see how she looks.